Have you ever imagined making money while you sleep? Now, this might seem far-fetched, but there are many ways to make money other than a regular 9-to-5 job in which you don't have to worry much about your work or repeat the same hectic routines, and it's called passive income. Alright, so if your goal is to make some extra cash, you've come to the right place. Whether you want to make money from home, make money online, or get out of the house to earn you some extra cash, I've got you covered. So passive income is beneficial for everyone because you can make money once you have the correct systems in place without actively doing anything. All you have to do is wait for your money to grow, collect it, and repeat the cycle, which is so very exciting. And what's even better, guys, is there are literally countless ways you'll find on the internet that promise you to pay you thousands of dollars. But often they are scams or just a waste of time. That's why in today's video, we're going to share with you some of the top ways to make passive income in 2021. But before we continue, if you find any value in this video, do me a favor and tap the like button. It really helps to support and grow the channel. Alright, so let's get started. So one way to generate passive income is through blogging. So just imagine that you can make money by writing about any trending topic on your website, which is more than amazing for those who love to write. So to get started, all you have to do is choose your favorite subject. That can be either sports, fashion, cooking, or anything you want it to be, and start writing it on your own in your own signature style. Here's the thing, guys, millions of people around the world make research on the internet, and your blogs could be reached by those visitors too. One single written blog can give you enough cash from ads and affiliate marketing that would blow your mind. So create your own personal blogging site on websites such as Wix, WordPress, Blogger, and Weebly, and get started right away. You can write about trending things anytime you want and pull in some extra cash without any hectic efforts. Now, another way to make passive income is through digital courses. Imagine you made a video about cooking a delicious dish and posted it on some digital course platform. Some of these platforms are Teachable or Podia. Well, what would happen? Well, guess what? Your video would work as a course for anyone who wants to learn about a particular dish. And here's the thing, every one of us has an amazing skill inside that we can put to use to make some extra cash. People are always looking to find people who are experts in something particular in which they themselves lack. And in return, they pay you for that. So you could be that expert. So get started today creating your account on digital course platforms like Teachable, Podia, Udemy, Skillshare, and post your course videos to start earning. Who knows? Someone is finding you to learn something in which you're an expert. All you have to do is shoot a video, upload it once, and let people watch it to give you some cash. Isn't that amazing? Alright, another way to make passive income is through affiliate marketing. So have you ever helped someone sell their product to someone and have some profit from the deal? Affiliate marketing is the same, but in it you don't have to catch clients physically and make them buy your product. Instead, through affiliate marketing, all you have to do is just leave an affiliate link to any particular product on your website or under your YouTube video or even any other social media platform. And the way it works is that whenever anyone opens that link and buys that product, you'll have part of the total profit in return for helping them sell the product. I mean, imagine how incredible it would be that hundreds of people buying that product using your affiliate link. So you can start affiliate marketing from sites like ShareASale Affiliates, Amazon Associates, eBay Partners, or Shopify affiliate program and get the product link to market those particular products. And the great thing is your profit will increase exponentially while you don't have to lift a finger, which is just unbelievable. Now, another great way to make passive income is by investing in stocks or the stock market. So if you have some extra cash to invest in anything and you don't want to start a business, another alternative could be to invest in stocks. So you would need to choose a particular stock or index fund by doing your due diligence and then invest your money effectively. Now, here's the thing, guys. When people talk about stock returns, they're usually referring to how much the stock price has increased. However, dividend payouts on stocks over time can provide a substantial portion of a stock's total return. So there are people out there that invest in dividend-paying stocks to provide income during retirement or another form of passive income. So when companies generate profits, they have several ways to use those earnings, and one way is through dividends. So dividends are paid for each share of stock you own. The payouts are usually quarterly, although companies sometimes issue special one-time dividends. So let's give an example. Let's say that you own 100 shares of a stock that pays quarterly dividends of 50 cents a share. In this example, you would receive $50 each quarter for an annual dividend payout of $200 a year. So the great thing is you can start investing in stocks right away after creating your account on investing platforms like Fidelity, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, or Interactive Brokers, which will even keep you updated about the total market. So investing in stocks, and specifically dividend-paying stocks, is one of the most effective and productive ways to make a passive income in 2021 because all you have to do is make a decision and wait for the results. Now, another option to generate passive income is to rent things you have. Now, I have to say this may seem one of the oldest ways to make a passive income, but literally you can make some cash without investing, without any risk, and without making much effort. Now, you may be amazed to know that Elon Musk used to rent his room out for $5 per head to help pay college fees, which teaches us a very productive lesson. So you may have a house, car, tools, or anything, thing. Just start offering it for rent and you will literally be blown to see how much money it can pay off. So to rent your car, you can go with the Turo app. To rent your parking spot, you can choose Spot Hero. Or even to rent your clothes, you have the Stylein app. It's incredible to know that there are literally apps to rent anything you want. And I have to say, guys, from improving your financial stability to reducing your financial stress, I've yet to discover a single downside to earning passive income. The real question is, what are you waiting for? I mean, not long from now, you could be earning money while you sleep. And do you really want to pass up that opportunity? Alright, if you found value in the video, do me a favor and tap that like button and share it. It really helps to support and grow the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell as I'm posting valuable new content multiple times a week. Thanks again for watching, and until next time.